I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best beef pilau. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making beef pilau. In my opinion, pilaf is one of the most satisfying dishes out there. I'm gonna serve this beef pilau with a very nice sauce and salad. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with the rice. I'm using 5 cups of Sella Basmati. Always use good quality rice for best results. Soak the rice in lukewarm water for an hour 30 minutes. If using normal Basmati, that should only take you 30 minutes. And once you're done with soaking, wash, remove the excess starch and drain the water. And now we're gonna prep our beef stock. Here I'm using 1 onion. You want to roughly chop the onion with the skin. And now do the same with garlic and ginger. We're also gonna use 1 tomato for more flavor. Here I'm using beef that has been cut into medium cubes. If you look closely, the cubes are not too small, so that's exactly what you're looking for. I'm also going to use some of these lamb bones just to add a bit more flavor and richness to our stock. You could also use beef with the bones instead. Now the beef goes straight into the pan along with the bones. Onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, coriander seeds, fennel seeds. It's going to add a beautiful aroma. A few black cardamoms, crushed green cardamoms, and with the black peppercorns, some of these white peppercorns as well. Whole cloves, cassia bark. A beef stock cube, my secret to a mouth-watering pilau. And finally, with a good touch of salt, we're gonna add some more salt later. I'm gonna give everything a really good mix and level it up. Now we're going to cover this with water. The water should be just above the beef. Now turn up the heater on medium and you're gonna let this cook until the beef is almost done. This should roughly take you around an hour 45 minutes. It's best to leave it covered. Now for our main pilau ingredients, we're gonna thinly slice the red onions. Here I've got 1 tomato. You want to remove the skin and finely chop. Whole green bullet chilies, you want to slice it in the middle and make a paste of ginger, garlic and 1 fresh green chili. Now for the main pilau spice, mix in with the black cardamom, black peppercorns, white peppercorns as well, with the green cardamoms, few bay leaves, coriander seeds, with the cumin seeds, garam masala, a tiny piece of this nutmeg as well, and finally with the salt. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Our amazing pilau spice mix done. Alright, let's check our stock now. That looks amazing. Now just turn off the heat. Now if we take a closer look to the beef, we can see it's cooked but it's not falling apart. Perfect. Now we're going to separate the beef from the straw by passing through a sieve. And now separate the beef from the mixture, and that's all we're going to use. And now let's grab everything, your rice, tomatoes, onions, spices, your beef and everything else. And now let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to on medium. Give it the oil, and we're going to use this clarified butter. For those who don't know, people only used to use clarified butter in the past. Now in with your onions. Give that a mix, and we're looking for a golden brown color on those onions. Leave them covered for a few minutes so they can soften up a bit. Alright, now we have a golden brown color on those onions. Now we're going to add our ginger garlic paste. Give that a really good mix, and again cook the rawness of that ginger and garlic. You can always deglaze with a touch of water if needed. And I'll just leave it covered for a few seconds. Light touch of water. Now I can see the ginger and garlic has cooked perfectly. Now at this point of time I'm going to throw in our tomatoes. Again cover this so we can soften up those tomatoes. Now in with your spices. Light touch of water, and now we're going to cook the rawness of those spices. Now the spices smell so good. Now throw in all your beef. Now give this a really good mix and brown that beef a little. Let the spices and the beef mingle together. This is one of the best beef pilau that you're going to try. Now throw in the green chilies. Slowly add in the stock. 7.5 cups of stock. Go straight in. Look how rich that is. So beautiful. A good mix to that and bring this to simmer. Also, this is the best time to check for any seasoning, especially the salt. Bismillah. That's perfect. And when it starts to simmer, we're going to throw in our rice. Rice that was soaked in water. Give that a really good mix. It smells so good, trust me. Now you know the drill. We're going to cover this and let this cook until there is some water left. And like I said before, this is one of the best pilau that you're going to try. Let's check this. And when there's some water left, as you can see, I'm gonna throw in black cumin seeds on the top. Now turn the heat to low, cover with a clean kitchen cloth, place your lid and skewer it properly. And now we're gonna let it steam for around 13 to 15 minutes. It smells so good in the kitchen. Now to make our sauce, in with a dried plum, dried pomegranate seeds, 2 whole green chilies, in with a handful fresh coriander, mint leaves, good pinch of salt, and some water so we can blend and turn this into a paste. Now cover and blend this on high speed. Remove this into this bowl. Now in with the yogurt. Use natural yogurt, not the Greek one. A really good mixture that. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Adjust any seasoning if you need to. Have a mouth-watering mint plum sauce. Done. For the salad, add all of your veggies into this bowl and some of the sauce. Give that a really good mix. That looks so mouth-watering. Have a little taste. This will go perfect with our rice. Our mouth-watering, crispy, delicious salad. Done. Alright guys, let's check our rice. Oh, those look so beautiful. The rice have been perfectly cooked. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Bismillah. Wow. These are so delicious. Alright, let's plate this up with our amazing salad, our mouth-watering sauce, and finally our delicious beef pilau. It looks so mouth-watering. Our mouth-watering beef pilau. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. Let's try the rice on its own first. Bismillah. Wow. The rice are packed with flavor. These are so good. Just gonna try this on the salad. You guys gonna really enjoy this beef pilau. Let's try with a bit of the sauce. Wow. As I mentioned before, this is one of the most satisfying dishes ever. You guys gonna absolutely love this. The sauce goes perfectly with this. The salad also has a really nice freshness to it. Overall, I'm lost for words. What an amazing beef pilau. You guys are gonna absolutely enjoy this with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Answer the salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.